attacking drones are at the ready for s.ecurity at PyeongChang 2018. As host city PyeongChang, South Korea readies itself for the 2018 Winter Olympics. Public safety is a strong point of contention. Aside from the country's northern neighbor, there are threats that face any event with large concentrations of visitors. For the protection of this year's athletes and spectators, special tactical drones will be on hand to intercept other drones that could pose a risk. Equipped with facial recognition capabilities and deployable nets, South Korean authorities will be able to quickly identify potentially problematic situations and prevent them. In December, over 400 SWAT team members in South Korea participated in training exercises to learn how to intercept bomb-carrying drones. With the late addition of North Korean athletes to the games, fears of an attack from the erratic regime have slightly diminished. However, South Korean officials fear that it may be the North Korean personnel that are actually at greater risk of being attacked given the strong feelings that some hold towards the rogue nation. Small drones are typically difficult to detect without visual confirmation, but South Korea has already worked out that problem. Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology has developed radar specifically for detecting small airborne objects in and around PyeongChang. Once a drone is detected, a countermeasure can be deployed. In addition to the new drones, there is also a team of nearly 700 tech experts as part of a computer emergency response team, SWAT. Monitoring for malware, DOS attacks, intrusion attempts, and other hacking attempts will be ongoing around the clock throughout the Winter Games.